Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we are going to be discussing how the trade-in program works. VHT offers a program that allows you to trade your current machine in for the price you paid on it to upgrade to another model. So let's say you paid the full $11.25 for the Micro Vapor Hone. Now you would get that back as a credit to give you a credit towards a new machine. So if you wanted a Weekend Warrior for the bigger workspace, more features, but you're still kind of working as a hobbyist, you would get $11.25 off of that machine, which is $28.64, and you would be responsible for shipping and splitting the difference between the two cabinets. Now, if you make any physical modifications to your cabinet, your upgrade option is gone. You cannot make any physical modifications. It will also void your warranty. If you guys want to upgrade, all you have to do is give us a call. We'll be happy to get that invoice started for you. We'll allow you to keep the machine as well while we're building your new one so that we can give you a little bit more time. You're not, machineless. You can actually still work on stuff. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. My number is 828-220-5012.